Most teams don't lose a quarter for lack of effort. They lose it because the goals get written down in week 1 and forgotten by week 3. The OKR and Goal-Setting Workbook keeps them front and center and scores them honestly every cycle. OKR stands for Objectives and Key Results. An objective is where you want to go this cycle. A key result is the number that proves you got there. You set a few objectives, add 2 to 5 measurable key results under each, and the workbook ties them together. Here's the part you'll use every week. On the Key Results tab, you type a start value, a target, and where you are now. The workbook scores the progress from 0 to 1 and flags the status for you. It works whether you're growing a number or cutting one, like churn or a sales cycle. Every key result lands in one of 3 bands: off track, at risk, or on track. And here's the mindset that makes OKRs work. On a genuine stretch goal, landing near 0.7 is a win, not a miss. A wall of perfect scores usually just means the targets were too safe. Every key result rolls up into its objective score, and every objective rolls up to one company view. The Company Roll-Up tab gives you the whole picture on one screen: the company score, how many goals are on track or at risk, the confidence spread, and a breakdown by team. The Objectives tab is your team and company view. Each objective auto-scored from its key results, and every check-in, you set a confidence: high, medium, or low. The score tells you where you've got to. Confidence tells you whether you'll actually land it. That's the early warning a score alone won't give you. It's one file you own. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click Google Sheets copy and 4 PDF guides that teach the method. No per-seat OKR app, no monthly subscription, no plan locked behind someone else's login. Set your goals, score them honestly, and roll them up. The OKR and Goal-Setting Workbook is an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Own your goals, don't rent them.